Hello and welcome all of you. Hope all of you are doing good. I'm going to share some two important ideology with all of you today on what could be that something that makes a woman to be super productive, because I am always a person of identifying what could give some personal me time for a woman, as well as managing important portion of the career where she really grows in that, and also taking some conscious lifestyle on the throughout managing of the house as a housewife. So on that research, that is two important things that I wanted to share. Always women get stuck in a biggest disease called as perfectionism, and perfectionism is something that kills the energy. We don't stop with one poriel, we go for one or two, and we do many things just to behave likable to everyone in the family. And a lot of things get wasted. So much of cleaning time goes as waste, so much of preparation time goes as waste, so much of washing time goes as waste, and you get drained as a person, your energy get drained, and then obviously the productivity gets down, your sleep routine also gets affected. So in this, what I wanted to share is one of the biggest goal as of super productivity is not to do too many things, because all of us are held in an important culture called as being looking too productive, in which we do too many things on a single day and pressurize ourselves so that the productivity actually comes down. So now the goal is to increase your productivity, as well as how, by doing less number of works, so that your revenue is increasing sometime, or your relationships are getting increased, or your health is getting good, or your beauty is glowing. So in that, some sort of goal should be achieved by doing less, but by doing something consciously. So come out of the first point is, come out of the disease called as perfectionism. You are enough. You need not prove anyone in this world. You deserve only the best things. So focus only on the best things in life. And now, how should I focus? How should I know that this is the best thing for me? I'll give you two important ideology today. The first one is the most famous management principle called as 80-20 principles, which is the Pareto's law. What is that 20% of those activities which is contributing to 80% of your happiness? Because even for a company, even for a very huge business organizations, it's always the 20% of activities contributing to 80% of the company's profits. If you look at your wardrobe, 20% of the dresses is something that you wear 80% of the time. Okay, if you go inside your kitchen, 20% of the utensils are used for 80% of your time. So it is always this 80-20 principles. It goes with a varied there is a small slight will be 75%, 25%, 90%, 10%, but it always the maximum on everything is always this 80-20 principle. So sit down and identify those activities which is causing you for 20% of those activities which is costing you for 80% of your happiness. Okay, or which is giving you that maximum energy of uh, giving you so much of productivity. Even if 20% of 20 minutes of nap at the afternoon is going to increase your productivity by 80%, then that is a super productive area that you need to focus on. So this is the first important thing. And the other one is, it is actually a mental mindset to always get fixed with something, and we drag and delay that process of things happening. That is the Parkinson's law. Suppose you are given an activity and told that you are given 30 days time to complete that project. What will happen? The same project you will actually get prolonged to 30 days of your time. Now the same thing, if you are given 20 minutes, then you will complete the same thing. So this is the Parkinson's law. So go with 80-20 principles and the Parkinson's law, identify all your jobs and become super productive. Bye bye, take care.